Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best iPad phone stand is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for anyone who uses their tablet or smartphone extensively, offering a hands-free viewing experience and improved ergonomics. This comprehensive review will delve into the key features, benefits, and drawbacks of various iPad and phone stands currently available on the market, helping you choose the perfect stand to enhance your productivity and entertainment. Number 5. LISEN Adjustable Phone Stand. This phone stand is designed for comfort and convenience. Its ergonomic design helps improve posture and reduce neck strain. It easily adjusts to your perfect viewing angle. The height is adjustable, ensuring optimal comfort. It features a reserved charging hole for easy access while charging. No more tangled cables or tipping over. The anti-skid silicone on the back and bottom protects your device from scratches and slips. It keeps your phone securely in place. We stand behind our product. If it arrives broken or breaks within 365 days, contact us for a solution. We value your experience. Your purchase includes the phone stand, a screw, a hexagon screwdriver, and specifications. Everything you need is right here. What we like. It features an adjustable height and a convenient charging hole, ensuring comfortable viewing and easy charging. The anti-slip design keeps your device secure. If you need a versatile stand for various devices and want to keep your desk organized, this is the one for you. What people say. It adjusts in several configurations. It holds my tablet, even though it's in a case. There's a space for cord to connect when phone is sitting on it, so it doesn't inhibit charging while it is on the stand. The stable support is unmatched by most. Not one single problem. Just a quality holder that you won't regret. The stand is solid and sturdy. Would be nice if the stand could be a little taller, but I do like that it's adjustable. Number 4. Nulaxy Dual Folding Phone Stand. It works with almost all smartphones and e-readers. From iPhones to Samsung Galaxies, and even your Nintendo Switch, it's got you covered. This fully collapsible stand adjusts to your perfect viewing angle. It's ideal for video calls, gaming, or just browsing recipes. Made of high-quality aluminum, it holds your phone securely. Rubber pads prevent scratches and slipping. With a wide hook, it fits phones with even the thickest cases. Just make sure your device is under 19 mm thick. For smaller devices, use either portrait or landscape mode. Larger devices are best in landscape mode for extra stability. What we like. This stand boasts universal compatibility, working with various devices. Its fully adjustable design allows for personalized viewing angles. The sturdy aluminum construction ensures stability. If you're looking for a reliable and adaptable stand for all your devices, this is a great choice. What people say. Sturdy build. Unlike my previous cardboard stand, this one is made to last. Easy adjustment. I can effortlessly adjust it with just one hand, which is a significant advantage. Non-slip surface. It stays securely in place on various surfaces I've tried it on. Optimal viewing angles. I can position my phone to achieve the perfect angle for visibility while ensuring it stays secure. This is a sturdy little device that does exactly what it is supposed to do. It is adjustable and holds my phone well. These things work well and can be folded up and taken with you to any place you go. Well built and so easy to use. Number 3. OCYCLONE Phone Stand. This stand is compatible with a wide range of devices, from 4 to 11-inch smartphones and most tablets. It works with various phone brands and models, so it's perfect for almost anyone. Easily adjust its height from 3.74 to 5.5 inches and angle from 0 degrees to 235 degrees. Find the perfect viewing position for comfortable movie watching, video calls, or reading. Made with durable aluminum and ABS materials, it's built to last. The non-skid rubber pads keep your device secure and prevent scratches. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry around. It's perfect for travel and makes a great gift for friends and family. It features a reserved charging hole for convenient charging and a silicone hook pad that won't obstruct subtitles while watching videos. Enjoy effortless use. What we like. It offers wide compatibility, supporting various phones and tablets. The adjustable height and angle cater to different viewing preferences. Protective silicone pads safeguard your device. If you need a versatile, protective stand with a wide range of adjustments, this is perfect for you. What people say. The adjustable height and angle provide excellent versatility, making it perfect for hands-free video calls, watching content, or simply keeping my device accessible while working. The holder is very well built, very adjustable, and has a nice finish. I'm confident that it will hold up to years of splashing on the deck of our endless pool. This device is stable and won't tip over, making it very reliable. It offers multiple positions for placing your device, which is a great feature. Number 2. LISEN iPad Stand Holder. This innovative stand is designed for ultimate stability and portability. It's perfect for travel or everyday use at home or the office. It folds completely flat, making it easy to pack and carry. You can take it anywhere. This stand offers adjustable height and angle, ensuring your device is always at the perfect viewing position. It's incredibly sturdy and secure. Unlike other stands, this one uses a one-piece design and innovative locking mechanism to prevent wobbling or slippage. It's built to last. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, from 4-inch phones to 15.9-inch tablets. It's the perfect solution for all your device needs. Liberate your hands for video calls, watching videos, or online learning. It's the ultimate hands-free solution. What we like. Its foldable design makes it highly portable. The upgraded stability ensures your device won't fall. It's compatible with a wide range of devices. If you value portability, stability, and broad device support, this is the ideal option. What people say. Well made and easy to use. Stiff at first, intentionally, but adjusts easily with the small, included Allen wrench that stores neatly in the base. Raises your device to a comfortable reading level and stays put. It also holds a tablet with no problem. It's very nice and sturdy. It comes with an Allen key on the bottom of the stand. It has good height and it works nice with my 16 portable monitor. The range and motion of the arm is very solid and fluid and has no problem holding my 10 tablet. It has a good mechanical feel like I find in Anker products, and I use it every day sitting on a lap tray holding my tablet while I watch the news on the internet. The two holders flip out and hold the tablet fine. You can collapse into a fairly flat unit to carry anywhere. Number 1. Universal Tablet Floor Stand. It fits most phones and tablets, from 4.7 to 13 inches. Just make sure your device's case is within the specified width and thickness. Adjust its height from 27.5 to 53 inches and rotate it 360 degrees for the perfect viewing angle. It's built to last with durable carbon steel and a reinforced base. No tools are needed for assembly or disassembly. Its flat base saves space and can even be tucked under furniture. Whether you're lying down, sitting, or standing, it frees your hands for comfortable viewing of movies, games, or music. Enjoy hands-free convenience. The weighted base and double support structure ensure stability. We've used steel components throughout for lasting reliability. What we like. This stand offers 360 degrees rotation for ultimate viewing flexibility. Its adjustable height caters to various needs and positions. The stable base ensures your device remains secure. If you need a highly flexible and stable floor stand, this is the one for you. What people say. Setup was simple and I was able to read using this within a few minutes. There is even an opening in the mount to allow for charging while using the device. The boom arm is long and easily adjustable to accommodate nearly any position. Works with phone, tablet, and Kindle. Can also be used with a boom mic for Zoom meetings or recording. The height of the stand is high enough that I can sit on the couch and adjust the arm to eye level. The stand can reach to around 4 feet in height, but this is with the entire arm fully extended and flat. The foot piece slides easily under the couch and is heavy enough to counteract the weight of the tablet. The entire stand is made of durable metal, not cheap easily bent stuff. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.